What's going on, friends and family? This is Clay from Lake Arlington here with Fun and Sun. Going to do a quick video over the Excel EX200. This boat is tournament ready to hit the lake. It's powered by Mercury Pro XS 200. It's got an Atlas jack plate on here. It's a 20-foot 3-inch boat with a 94.5-inch beam. Very strong hull. Shallow water boat, awesome for a shallow water power fisherman. Great quality of boat. We'll see what it does on the water. Let's hit the lake. All right, guys, we just got off the water. This boat is a beast, okay? This boat ran 64 miles an hour with 2 people in it, and we really didn't even have time to play with it and really open it up. With one person, the way it's sitting right now, I don't see why it couldn't touch pretty close to 70 miles an hour, if not 70 miles an hour. The boat's very, very strong. It doesn't have a hard slap like typical aluminum boats do. On top of that, the keel is super strong. You can see how it's overlaid and just built really, really well. It's actually the thickest gauge aluminum on the industry, coming in at 0.125. This boat is very, very strong. Clean boat, the seats cup you well. As you'll see in some of the drone footage, whenever we're up there on the front deck, there's plenty of room. I laid all the way across this boat and didn't even get close to touching both sides. Up there at the front where you're fishing, it's very, very roomy and spacious, which is, you know, hard to come by on an aluminum boat, but this boat provides that. Very, very strong boat. I was very, very pleased and ecstatic with the way it rode. I'll definitely be looking forward to getting back in it. Y'all check it out. We're located at Fun and Sun Boats and Tackle in Hurst, Texas, 320 West Hurst Boulevard. Phone number is 817-280-0303. Come check us out right here at DFW.
Good morning, it's Carlton with Fun and Sun Boats and Tackle of Hurst, Texas. Just got off the water with Clay on this 2023 Excel EX200 aluminum bass boat, powered by a Mercury 200 Pro XS 4-stroke motor. Boat ran damn near 70 miles an hour. It's an amazing machine, handles really, really well, and did a fantastic job on the water. Be sure to come see it this weekend, July 22nd and 23rd, Saturday and Sunday, at our in-house mini summer boat show.